How do you use tuning forks with chakra stones? My name is Sheila Satin, and I'm the co-owner here along with my sister Lisa at the Satin Crystals Boutique. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to use the vibrational energy of your tuning forks with your chakra healing crystals. How do you activate your tuning fork? So first of all, here we have a weighted tuning fork. There's two little weights at the top, making the vibrations stronger and deeper. If you want a lighter vibration, you could remove the weights as well. This particular fork is a C note. You'll see it inscribed right there, 128 frequency. For our purposes, you can use any tuning fork as we're not worried about the notes right now. So to strike and activate this, you'll need to hold it from the stem, the bottom part. You want to have a firm grip, not too hard, not too soft, and you'll strike the fork against something rubbery. So some people have like a hockey puck, or they use the bottom of their shoe. I use the palm of my hand, so whatever is soft but firm, you can strike it and you will feel the vibration running through the fork. Once you have activated your tuning fork, you have already placed your chakra stones on top of the appropriate chakras. This is best done lying down, and even better if you have a partner to do it for you, but if not, you can do it on your own. I will just show you one, the third eye chakra. So you'll have placed your stone on your third eye, and you will take the end of the tuning fork and place it over the stone and let it vibrate the crystal's energy into your chakra. And this will increase your healing energy. It's like a massage for your aura, great vibrational energies. For this particular tuning fork and chakra set, you will receive one tuning fork and 7 chakra stones. I have placed 3 chakra sets here side by side, so you can see the differences in varying colors, patterns, and shapes. So your chakra stone set will be unique. It will include one amethyst for the crown chakra, a dark blue apatite for your third eye chakra, the light blue amazonite for your throat chakra, a dark green and black emerald for your heart chakra, a yellow citrine for your solar plexus chakra, a reddish white sunstone for your sacral chakra, and a deep red ruby. So the ruby and the emerald are both natural in their formations. So if you're familiar more with the processed clear rubies and emeralds, these are the more earthy natural stones. So this is a set that you will receive and you can use on your chakras for healing. Visit us at satincrystals.com for chakra and tuning fork sets. While you're there, don't forget to sign up for the VIP club for additional chakra healing information throughout the year. We do invite you to subscribe to our channel for additional crystal healing videos. And as always, thank you for your positive energy at Satin Crystals.